I've been absolutely obsessed with doing this hairstyle at the moment, so I thought I'd do a little tutorial. It is super easy, but I just thought some people may not know. If you want to know how to do my sleek bun, with long hair by the way, with long hair, keep watching. So you're gonna need something to actually slick the hair back, and you can either use gel, just hairspray. I use a hair mask just because I don't want to dry my hair out with gel, but that's completely up to you, personal preference. But I just like to use this. This is the Garnier Hair Foods, is that the word? Garnier hair mask. Anyway, I absolutely love this stuff. So good for your hair in general. I use this all the time, once every 2 weeks. First thing I do is I will put my hair in a ponytail. I just find that easier for me. I grab this front section first. Ignore that, got ahead of myself. So I'll grab this front section. It will look kind of like this, and I'll just twist this. Obviously if you have short hair this is going to be a lot quicker, but because I've got longer hair and I've also got charms on my nails, which if you keep seeing me catching like that, that is because of the goddamn nails. Like that. My hair's going to be wrecked after this. And then I'll just grab a little clip like this. This will be explained later, it will make sense. So now is when I'll pop it into a ponytail. Again, this is going to take me forever with these bloody goddamn nail charms. Honestly, if you're thinking of getting nail charms, I really wouldn't bother because they are going to annoy you. Into a ponytail. We all know how to do this. Kind of like got a little Mohican, you know. I done this the other day and I said to my dad, I was like, done. He was like, yeah, love it. He honestly is a liar. Now we're gonna get this brush here. You can just use a comb, but I find it goes a bit smoother with this. So this is this type of brush. You can get these from anywhere. This is from GHD. However, you can get them in Primark. I think I got one in Primark, but like a shorter one. I find the shorter ones easier because you really need to hold it here with like finger here to kind of. But you can use a comb, but then it leaves like lines like this, you'll see. So I'm just gonna dip this in here, just like this, coat it on. I love the smell of this. I mean, your hair's gonna smell insane as well, and you're just gonna swipe it like that. And kind of swoop it like that, you see? Swoop. Don't worry about the white stuff, you'll fix all that later. This really doesn't have to be perfect yet. Eventually, yes. I'll always do this hairstyle if I've like used a lot of styling on my hair, like if I've curled it a lot or if it's just a little bit dirty. I don't often let my hair get dirty, but like sometimes it happens, you know. So once it's all like that, then gonna take it out the ponytail. I know. Then I'm just going to grab the comb for this excess bit. You can just go straight in and gel it while it's ponytail. But for me, I struggle to hold it all really smoothly while doing that. But it just depends. If you're able to do that, then do that. But I find it a lot easier, especially if you're like a beginner, to slicking back. Already form the ponytail and then go back with smoothing. I also kind of put the ponytail like in the middle of my head, like not too high but then not too low. It's just kind of, you see, like there, you see, all nice and smooth, hopefully. I can't see the back of my head so I don't actually know. Now for this top part, unravel it. Oh god, it's caught. And then just brush it out. Again, this part is unnecessary as well, but I like to have a middle parting when I do this, and I like it to not go backwards but go side swoop like that. It's really hard to explain. I can just show you. Yeah, it definitely does make a difference if you do it this way. I'm just gonna part in my hair. I can never get a good middle parting. I look so funny. So this is how I'm gonna do it. You see, sideways, but you can do it like that. But if you have a big forehead, it's not gonna look good. So if you just swoop it like that, it makes a little bit of a difference, but I just think it looks nicer and it just suits me better. Go back in with my hair mask and swoop it this way. And then you just join her to the back with another ponytail. I mean, with another hair tie, sorry. I do like to keep switching between tools. My biggest advice with this hairstyle is just keep going over with your comb, back and forth with each tool and just smoothing it over until it just looks as sleek and kind of flat to your head as possible. So now that's all done, we're going to go in with the absolute, I'd say, secret to sleek hair. This is a got to be glued hair spray. It is literally like glue. It's the best hairspray ever. You could be in winds, you could be in a bloody tornado. This is gonna keep your hair in place. It's not gonna move. So good. And it's really easy to wash out. Literally warm water just washes it out. Like if I'm in the bath, I'll lay my head back and it just melts. So it's really easy to get out. This is just the mini size, by the way. You can get a big one, but this just fits in my drawer easier. Just gonna spray this literally all over the hair I've already done. And then just smooth over. Then I'll just get a little spoolie. This is just a little disposable one. And I'll just spray a bit of the got to be on it and just smooth out any, like, you see here, little hairs coming out. Give that a little blast. Just grab these hairs. Now for the bun, I'm just going to get the hair and just twist it and wrap it round. Wrap it around. On the last wrap, I'll leave, you see this chunk of hair, so I can have some texture. You can just tuck it in. And I'll leave that out and I'll tie the hairband and leave it out. And then just pull it in, just to kind of shape it. And that is the spiky bun all done. So this is how I do my slick bun. It is super easy, but I'm just not the best at explaining it. Put your hair in a ponytail, put a hair mask in it or gel, hairspray it to slick it, put it in a bun and leave some little spiky bits out. It is super easy. I promise I will get better at my tutorial speaking skills. I'm still learning. And of course, if you don't like your forehead, just pull 2 little front pieces out. I do that a lot. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know any other tutorials you want me to do. I am going to do my curly bun. I know you guys keep talking about that. I promise I will. But make sure to subscribe. Our goal is to hit 50k. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.